Okay, so I'm gonna go over my levels for ES, NQ, and VIX. Currently, ES at 5557 is trading right around here. So we do have an ADR level from the previous day. I'm gonna move over. Looks like we actually went through it because yeah, we went up as high as 5573. So let's zoom out even more. Let's bring this out more. 5573. So we came into these levels here. Um, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. The levels that we broke through. I'm gonna have to take a closer look when I go into the pre-market levels to see how price is reacting candle-wise. So, sorry. Let's dive into our value areas high and low, just to put the lines there. We have 30 minutes before the market opens. Did I grab this? I thought I did. Weird. Heck was I dragging? It's 8:59, so 30 minutes before the market open. Trump and Biden had a debate, their first debate last night. Doesn't look like anything major happened as far as market wise. Market didn't really jump anywhere, but we can say that we're out of, for now, we're out of, moved out of Monday's price action because we were inside of it for 1, 2, 3 days. We move out of it. Let's see if we're going to go back into it when the market opens and see how price reacts, because we really have just been ranging the entire time for the last for the last 3 days. All right, yeah. So this is basically Monday, and we've just been inside of it the entire time. All right, so value area highs and lows have been set. I'm gonna do the same thing with NQ. As soon as I draw these bubbles for my areas where I see volume. Stat, those three. Let's do NQ. Looks like I left some things for NQ. We'll grab that. It's here. Let's make that into a 1. It's up. ES is moving back down. It's still very high though. Okay, so this level here, this one here, this one right here, and all of these. All right, well basically these two. I'll be looking for something inside of them. Um, let's change this into that. There we go. Change it back, right? Alright, so those are my levels for value area. You did a nice job holding the highs, bouncing up, holding this ADR level, came back up to this ADR level, peeked ahead to the top, to the value area high, and then now we're pushing down. So I'm gonna look for, I may mark these levels based on how far down we go. This might be a nice rejection spot to move back lower. Um, okay. Wow. VIX made a move up, but ES kept rising until it decided to drop on this one. Okay, that's sorry, that's NQ. Where is ES? Oh, I didn't. Let's go here. Let's remove the study. What a chop fest. Somehow I was able to trade it. All right, so there we go. Broke out. It couldn't figure out what it wanted to do. VIX kept rising, and ES kept rising. And here we go. Here, we're gonna see if this is something to hold. So we'll look into that a little bit further. So for now, I'm just gonna go look into my value areas, highs and lows on ES and NQ, and start marking my levels based on what makes sense to me. Okay. All right, so those are my levels for ES and NQ. Um, let's look at the daily real quick. Okay, so we're still inside of this range here. I wonder if we're going to pop and dump. Oh, this gap here still hasn't been filled yet. Or at least a wick to the top of this, you know. If it can't get here, so at least to that. So I like to see price come up and then start to just take everything out. Um, that's what I'm really looking for now. So we've been holding this, even though we've been trading up here. I think that we're accepting these highs, but we got to get above it for me to think otherwise. So for now, I'll be looking for shorts still, especially with VIX breaking out of this area here. Let's see how VIX and ES have any correlations together. I know I was looking at, we had this consolidation overnight, then we had this nice pump out here, but NQ didn't, ES didn't do anything, right? And then we had a drop here on ES, but VIX gave us a low wick. So let's put all of this, the day, into a box. Like that. Let's maximize it, zoom out a little bit. Still would like for price to go a little lower, but price is obviously holding something. What are we holding? We're holding this area here. So if we go into the line chart, I'm going to mark this, push that out this way, and don't really have much. I'm gonna add this line here because that's where we have that long leg. Let's go to see where that spike was. On the top, nothing. All right, so I'm gonna still be looking for shorts with ES. I'm gonna look for a pullback somewhere. I might put this area here in my radar. We do need to get below this, but I think this area here might be a good area to put in my radar. Let's go and mark it, and let's go here. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this area. Okay, it looks like we are already using it. So we'll see how price reacts at the open. We have about 9 minutes. I'm done with my pre-session. It took about 23 minutes. I am going to prepare myself mentally, and let's do ES NQ real quick. The same thing. This area right here. So practically this here, so that's where we bounce on VIX as well. So there we go. All right, so okay, VIX NQ didn't go as high as ES did. All right, so that's it for today. Let me reset my charts, and that will be it for me as far as the pre-market setup. And I'll be back at post to see if I took any trade or see how